G'day guys, it's Alex here again on the bench. Victor Kilo 2, Papa Radio Charlie. Got a set here on the bench today where it won't lock on one frequency. The 7.7 to the 12.2. The set won't lock on that frequency. Immediately I'm thinking in terms of the wafer boards here. So I'm going to do a bit of a check on the board at the moment, and this is how you check to see if your little wafer board, that's the little wafer board here, has a problem. Okay, so this little wafer board here is a board that that connects onto the terminals A, B, C and D of the 3H oscillator board. So the tuning of the oscillator board is done via the capacitor and the inductor on this little wafer board there. So let's go and have a look at what we should expect to find if our little wafer board is working properly or not. So I'm going to turn the set on. At the moment I've got it set on the 20 meter band, 14 megahertz. And I'm going to put my crow on terminal A, which is the terminal. Hang on, problems here. The terminal just there, the first one. It's not focusing very well. So let's try and get it to focus. Still having a bit of trouble there. Just something happened. Righto, here we go. So I'm going to put it on the A terminal. Okay, so that's what we've got on our crow over there. So at the moment it's reading 15.75 megahertz. So it's 1.7 megahertz above the dialed frequency on the front. So let's now go and change our band to the crook band, the one that's not working, which is this one up here. So I'm going to then select about 9 megahertz. So you'd expect it to be oscillating around about 10.75. So let's have a look at this one here. So I'm back on the terminal again. Zilch. No oscillation at all there. None at all. So obviously the little tuning board here is faulty on the set. And yep, possibly get in there and take the board out and do a bit of investigation. But if you had a spare board, it would be a good time to put one in. But yeah, it would appear I've got an open circuit on that. I've tested another one that I've got here out of a different out of a spare, and you get a circuit across the terminals of that little inductor there. But on this one here, I've got absolutely nothing. I've got open circuit in it. That's the problem with it. Okay. I just pulled another one, because I had a lot of these, but not the right ones, of course. I just pulled another one of these apart. I actually broke it, but anyway. So what it's made up is a helical coil that's laid there on the PC board. It's got a connection on both sides, and the ferrite is actually two pieces of ferrite, one from one side and one from the other side, and they're glued together. So you can't pull this bloody thing out of either way because it's glued together. And then this thing here, this is just a clip that pushes down on the top and goes into those elongated holes and snaps in and holds the whole thing on the board. So that's how it works. You virtually can't pull them apart. You can't replace them either, because you can't get these two glued parts apart. So there you go. Okay, fortunately our story has a happy ending. I managed to get another little board. that was donated by a very kind friend of mine, and put it back in place. And lo and behold, we've got the lock back on the on that particular frequency. So yeah, moral of the story is, if you have a particular frequency selection that won't lock, chances are it's going to be this board. Very, 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 very good chances it's going to be that little board right there. And the way to test the board is get an oscilloscope and have a look on terminal A, which is that one there, and you should have a frequency 1.75 megahertz above the dialed frequency on the front. And if you haven't got that and the rest of the bands are working okay, problem is on the board. In my case, it was the inductor, but there's a couple more components on there as well that could go faulty. So there you go, guys. If you've got that particular problem with your radio, that's where to look, and that's how to fix it. This is Victor Kilo 2, Papa Radio Charlie. Alex saying 73, guys. Catch you again. Bye-bye.